Unlock the secrets of tire pressure, a simple guide. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into an essential tool that plays a big role in both your vehicle's performance and safety: the tire pressure gauge. Understanding this simple device can save you from a lot of trouble on the road. So, let's get started and uncover all there is to know about tire pressure gauges. Remember, knowing how to use one is just as important as knowing what it is. A tire pressure gauge is a tool that measures the air pressure inside your vehicle's tires. It's a critical aspect of car maintenance, ensuring that your tires are not over or underinflated. Proper tire pressure ensures optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and safety. There are different types, but they all serve the same purpose: to keep you informed about the health of your tires. Maintaining the right tire pressure is not just about extending the life of your tires, it's also about safety and efficiency. Underinflated tires can lead to increased wear and tear, reduced fuel efficiency, and even accidents due to decreased control. On the other hand, overinflated tires can make the ride less comfortable and increase the risk of tire blowouts. Regularly checking your tire pressure with a gauge can help prevent these issues. There are mainly three types of tire pressure gauges: digital, dial, and stick. Digital gauges are the most accurate and easy to read. They usually come with a digital display that shows the tire pressure. Dial gauges, or analog gauges, have a simple needle on the dial to indicate the pressure. They are robust and easy to use. Stick gauges resemble a pen and are the most basic and affordable type. However, they can be a bit more challenging to read accurately. Each type has its pros and cons, but all are effective at measuring tire pressure. Using a tire pressure gauge is simple, but it's important to do it correctly to get an accurate reading. 1. Make sure your tires are cold before checking the pressure, meaning they haven't been driven on for at least 3 hours. 2. Remove the cap from the tire's valve stem and press the gauge onto the stem firmly. 3. Read the pressure on the gauge and compare it to the recommended pressure for your vehicle, which can usually be found in the owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. 4. If necessary, adjust the tire pressure by adding or releasing air, then check the pressure again. 5. Once you're done, remember to replace the valve caps. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has illuminated the importance of the tire pressure gauge and how easy it is to use. Keeping your tires at the correct pressure is a simple yet effective way to ensure your vehicle runs efficiently and safely. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly. Safe travels, and see you in our next video.